Hi guys, maglalaro tayo ng Collapsing Tower. Tapos ngayon kaya lang pala ako nag-record kasi alam mo na, so love, so sweet. You give me a reason for my hero. What the fuck? What the fuck? Donk, donk, donk. Guys, help me. Help me. Donk, donk. Please let me win. Ito na naman tayo kasi. Uy, yes sir. How to do this? How? Tama ba? Sobrang taba ko kasi eh. Saan tayo punta? Dito. Okay. What? The? Okay, meron doon. Oops. Call the cop, please. Call the cop. Shh. Ingat, please. Ito na. Pwede na ba? Gusto kita. Anong gagawin dito? Bro. Okay. Ha? Anong gagawin doon? Bobo ka pala. Ay, tataas! Oh, pala yan. Dami ng improvement eh. Tapos binabalik mo na naman ako dito. Okay na eh. Pinaghirapan ko talaga yun eh. Let me win please. This game is so freaking bitch. The fuck? Put the fries on the bag, please. Stop doing this to me. You're hurting me, please. You're hurting me.
Gago, hacker yan.
Martes ka mo. Kinamat kasi. Matangya.